Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Panasonic Lumix DC-G100 or G100D and you're trying to do a factory reset, getting everything back to the factory default settings on the camera. There's kind of one of two reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with this camera not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if there's a lot of settings on here and you just want to get them all, instead of like manually moving them back to something, you just want to get everything back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can start fresh. It's really super easy to do on this camera. It's just a couple of button pushes. So all we need to do in order to do this, and this is also going to, by the way, this will also reset the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and everything like that. So all we need to do is we're just going to hit the menu button, and when the menu opens, we're just going to hit the setup wrench icon, setup word wrench icon option, and then there we select reset. And that's all there is to it, just those three things. Menu button, setup wrench, reset, and everything will be reset to the way it was when it came out of the box.